Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Lumos Fiber, found at lumosfiber.com, offers a compelling alternative to traditional internet service providers. Their focus is on delivering fiber optic internet, renowned for its speed and reliability, directly to homes and businesses. Tired of buffering videos, lagging online games, and slow download speeds? Lumos Fiber aims to eliminate these frustrations with its high-performance network. They promise a seamless online experience, whether you're streaming your favorite shows, working from home, or engaging in competitive online gaming. But Lumos Fiber is more than just fast internet. They emphasize a commitment to customer satisfaction, aiming to provide exceptional service and support. Their website highlights not just technical specifications, but also their dedication to building a strong relationship with their customers. This customer-centric approach is evident in their readily accessible online resources, including FAQs and customer support contact information. Considering the increasing demand for reliable, high-speed internet in our increasingly connected world, Lumos Fiber positions itself as a forward-thinking provider. Their fiber optic network is designed to handle the ever-growing bandwidth demands of modern households and businesses. This future-proof infrastructure ensures customers can enjoy uninterrupted connectivity, even as their internet usage evolves. For those curious about the availability of Lumos Fiber in their area, the website provides a convenient address checker. Prospective customers can simply input their address to determine if Lumos Fiber services are currently available or planned for their location. This easy-to-use tool simplifies the process of inquiring about service availability. Furthermore, the website details various internet plans and pricing options, allowing potential subscribers to compare and choose the package that best suits their needs and budget. Lumos Fiber strives to offer transparency in their pricing and service offerings, empowering customers to make informed decisions. They understand that choosing an internet provider is a significant decision, and they aim to equip their customers with all the necessary information to make the right choice. So, head over to lumosfiber.com and explore their offerings to see if Lumos Fiber is the right internet solution for you.